would you like to modify it a little
I think
more?
there's more to do. I think the new detectors, which was the latest breakthrough, they are not perfect. There's still a lot to do to improve them. Also, the sample preparation methods could be improved. The way the cryo stage and where they are kept, and the temperature is kept constant, because variation in the temperature can cause movement. So there are a lot of techniques, and also, I mean, it's in principle very little sample is needed for the studies. But since one has to apply a droplet to this grid, one has to remove almost all the sample, and very, very small fractions, like a droplet in a bathtub that is actually left. So if one could develop techniques that would allow applying very small amounts of sample, then there is, of course, many more molecules that could be studied, because it's not possible to purify all molecules at an amount that allows studies. So there are a lot of pieces that can be improved, and I think for the future it will. I think the technique has a lot to promise. Yeah.